And now we'll turn to country-specific examples, starting with the UK. The UK has a very impressive record of evidence-based investment informed by the IRAP methodology. Here to share that life-saving impact is Kate Fuller, Road Safety Engineering Director of the Road Safety Foundation, which leads the UK Road Assessment Programme. Kate, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for inviting me. So the Department for Transport Safer Roads Initiative was first established in 2017-2018. Franco, could you change the slide, please? Thank you. All three sets of routes have been identified using the Road Safety Foundation's annual crash risk mapping project that analyses the safety performance of all motorways and A roads in Great Britain. Using this data, the Department for Transport was able to build a business case for investment. The primary aim was to reduce fatal and serious injuries on these high-risk roads, but as the approach was so new to the vast majority of them, there was also an opportunity to build capacity. So the secondary aim was to leave the road authorities equipped with the skills and tools to deliver proactive route-based approaches to risk reduction that align to the road safe system. So far, there's been £200 million of investment on around 90 local authority A-class roads in England, with the first half of these shown on the map on the slide. IRAP surveys were used as a basis to identify issues with the roads, and the impact of the proposed treatments was assessed using the IRAP model. The impact on modelled fatal and serious injuries fed into the economic appraisal used to consider the proposals. Can I have the next slide, please? Thank you. The modelled expected results from Safer Roads Fund 1, 2 and 3 are very impressive, with the £200 million investment, with additional life operating and maintenance costs of a further £25 million, preventing an estimated 2,600 fatal and serious injuries over the next 20 years, with a value of prevention of injuries of £1.2 billion. When you compare the whole life cost of those measures against the value of prevention, you generate a portfolio BCR, benefit cost ratio, of 5.3, meaning that society benefits by £5.30 for every £1 invested. This demonstrates that road safety investments can really hold their own when compared with other major transport projects. And this is the first time we've been able to present something on this level of scale on local roads. So it was a really important exercise in showing what was possible. And we're now starting to see the impact of the first wave of investments coming through in the collision data, albeit it is noisy, not least because of the impact of COVID travel restrictions. It's very early days and we need several years more data really. But you can see where we are starting to see an impact, with the black line depicting treated routes showing a downward trend compared with the non-treated but could have been selected routes in green. This line is on a different scale to the smaller set of completed schemes in black to make the comparison easier. We hope analysis of 2023 crash data will solidify this very early finding. I'd just like to thank everybody again for listening and for inviting us to speak today. Many thanks, Natalie.